if the key to buying your next truck wasn't just about how much you can afford, but about how long it'll serve you without draining your wallet. That's what your Ford mechanic wants you to know when you're choosing the 2026 Ford F-150. Sure, everyone loves a powerful, flashy truck, but the secret is finding the one that does everything from work to play without costing you an arm and a leg. Whether you're towing, off-roading, or just commuting, let's break down which F-150 is the best fit for your budget straight from a Ford mechanic's perspective. Ford F-150 XL, the essential workhorse. When it comes to choosing a budget-friendly truck, the F-150 XL is the bare-bones workhorse. It's no-nonsense and built for those who need reliability above all else. Starting at around $32,000, the XL trim gives you the core functionality of the F-150 without any of the frills that inflate the price. With its 3.3L V6 engine, it delivers a solid 290 horsepower and 265 lb-ft of torque, which is plenty for anyone who needs a truck that can pull its weight in both work and performance. What makes the XL stand out is its ability to tow up to 8,200 pounds, making it more than capable for most hauling needs. The interior is simple, with durable materials designed to withstand hard work, while still being comfortable enough for daily use. It doesn't have the bells and whistles of higher-end models, but if you're not looking for a luxury vehicle and just want a reliable truck for your daily duties, the XL won't let you down. Mechanics Insight: the XL is a workhorse, built to get the job done without wasting money on things you don't need. If you're hauling tools or materials, this truck will get you through the day with ease. Ford F-150 STX. Style meets affordability. If you like the idea of a sporty look and extra tech without blowing your budget, the F-150 STX is a great option. Starting at around $34,000, the STX adds some style to the base XL, including a sport appearance package that features body-colored bumpers, grille, and 20-inch wheels. You also get an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you the tech you need for both work and entertainment. Under the hood, the STX offers the 2.7L EcoBoost V6, which gives you 325 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque. It strikes a great balance between power and fuel efficiency, making it a perfect choice for anyone who wants a good mix of performance and practicality. Whether you're using it for work or weekend trips, the STX offers a solid combination of functionality and style. Mechanics Insight: the STX is a smart choice for someone who wants more than just a basic truck but doesn't want to break the bank. It's got enough style and power to make a statement, while still being budget-friendly. Ford F-150 XLT, the sweet spot for most buyers. The F-150 XLT is where the real magic happens. Starting around $37,000, the XLT gives you that perfect middle ground between affordability and premium features. It's the most popular trim for a reason. It offers just enough tech, power, and comfort to make it a great all-around choice without venturing into luxury pricing. With engine options like the 3.5L EcoBoost V6 and 5.0L V8, the XLT can tow up to 14,000 pounds and provides 400 horsepower, which is ideal for towing boats, trailers, or heavy-duty work. The tech in the XLT is also a step up from the base models, with features like Ford Co-Pilot 360 for safety and a 12-inch digital instrument cluster that makes driving easier and more enjoyable. Mechanics Insight: for most people, the XLT is the best bang for your buck. It gives you the power you need for heavy lifting, plus the tech and safety features you'll actually use, and it doesn't leave you with a hefty price tag. Ford F-150 Lariat, mid-tier luxury without the full price. If you're looking for a little more luxury but don't want to commit to the highest trims, the F-150 Lariat could be your sweet spot. Starting at around $43,000, the Lariat comes with a range of premium features like leather-trimmed seating, a B&O sound system, and dual-zone climate control, giving you a more comfortable and high-end driving experience without the ultra-luxury price tag. Under the hood, the Lariat offers options like the 5.0L V8 or 2.7L EcoBoost, both of which provide solid power for towing and performance. The Lariat can tow up to 13,000 pounds, making it perfect for those who need more than just a daily commuter but still want to keep things practical. This trim also offers a premium interior and more advanced safety tech to make the ride smoother and safer. Mechanics insight: the Lariat strikes a perfect balance. It's got the luxury features you'll enjoy every day, but it's not so over the top that you're paying for things you'll never use. If you want a premium experience without the platinum price, the Lariat is the one. Ford F-150 King Ranch high-end comfort for the budget-conscious. The F-150 King Ranch is perfect for those who want a luxury feel but don't want to break the bank. Starting around $50,000, the King Ranch gives you premium leather seating, wood interior accents, and a host of comfort features like dual-zone climate control, Pro Trailer Backup Assist, and a power-adjustable steering wheel. It's the ideal truck for someone who needs a daily driver but still wants to feel like royalty behind the wheel, with a cabin that offers comfort and luxury in every detail. Performance-wise, the King Ranch offers both the 5.0L V8 and 3.5L EcoBoost V6 engines, which can tow up to 14,000 pounds, making it capable of handling all kinds of hauling and towing duties. Whether you're pulling heavy trailers, camping gear, or work equipment, this truck has the power to get it done with ease. The EcoBoost engine gives you great fuel economy without sacrificing towing capacity, while the V8 provides that classic truck performance. It's a great choice for someone who wants a comfortable ride without compromising on towing power or capability, all while maintaining a luxurious driving experience. Mechanics insight: if you want something that feels like a luxury vehicle but don't want to pay full price for a platinum or limited trim, the King Ranch is a solid pick. You get comfort, capability, and a great resale value. It's perfect for someone who wants a high-end truck without paying for all the unnecessary extras. Now that you've heard from a Ford mechanic about the best F-150s for your budget, the decision is up to you. Whether you're after a workhorse, a family truck, or a weekend warrior, the 2026 F-150 lineup offers something for everyone. The key is knowing what you truly need and what you're willing to spend. So, which F-150 will you choose for your budget? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more truck tips, reviews, and updates. Want to see how the 2026 Chevy Silverado stacks up against these F-150 picks? Check out this video on screen now. Drive smart, drive tough. See you in the next one.